guys, this is Danny from 305. Welcome you guys with a new video. We're working on a Mk8. We did the DSG upgrade. There's some 2022 models are not possible to tune yet. So what they did is we're removing the mechatronic and installing a new piece, which is tunable. This way you're gonna be able to support the big turbo and all the upgrades that it has. So let's say we're just gonna program the new Mk. Asking us to do a clutch characteristic curve reset. Had some write-up how to do it, and it says it can come up that it's not running, and that doesn't necessarily mean that it's not working. However, if we go back and measuring values and we put clutch 1 adaptation, we can check the values. These values has to be 0 when the adaptation goes through. Means that it didn't go through. I just had this issue and I have to call Unitronic because the tranny has no fault codes. It has already fluid in it. It says you shouldn't start the car, but because it wasn't going through the basic settings, I started it and it doesn't move, so I have to call for support. This car is super nice. When it had about 3,000-4,000 miles, we did a turbo upgrade. We did a stage 3, I think it's a stage 3 no speed brakes, racing line brakes with the 2-piece rotors. It has oil cooler for the tranny, for the motor. It has a body kit. It has some nice carbon pieces. Intake, it has a big turbo. Basically, that's it. 450 horsepower, 420 on the wheels, something like that. Which is impressive from a 4-cylinder car. Mk8s are just crazy cheating. We are Unitronic dealers. Anything Unitronic you need, feel free to contact us. They're an awesome company in Canada. They make off-the-shelf tunes. You're not gonna be the fastest one out there, but your car is not gonna be broken.
Three weeks later.
Anyway, he checked it, he noted it, he went to the basic settings, he tried to do the basic settings. The same thing happened to him, what happened to us. So now he's getting some technical support from somebody else. We got another project here, maybe, potential. I always wanted to do a V10 from one of these Touaregs, so a newer Touareg, which will be one of those. That would be a cool project. With the VR6 Golf with V10 swap Touareg, new Touareg, it's kind of nice. It's a lot of work though. So it doesn't start. One jump box is not enough for the V10. Unfortunately. This will be the body of Touareg, what I would like to swap it into. 2012 and up. Would be nice to 17, 16, 17, R-line. Fully loaded SCR with the V10 TDI. Would be badass. But we'll see. We'll see how that comes out. Not this one, because for the car what I'd like to swap it in, that will be a diesel, because then we have the fuel tank, the proper gauges, a whole bunch of things what I need for the V10 to work. So I don't want to convert everything to diesel, so I'd rather get a diesel car already, and to start with that is better. We'll see. That's for the future. It's just for now. It's like Cuban say paja mental.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I bought a piece of shit.
It's been standing for a couple of years.
It's in rough condition. EBS, airbag, check engine. Summaries here, we have the 930. It actually is not a real one, but it's a wide body from factory. Just needs some AC repairs. We're gonna do a vacuum on the system and the recharge. We're gonna see how the vacuum holds first. Any leaks on the system. If you guys need anything done on the AC on your Volkswagen, or your Audi or Porsche, we can do that as well. That's it for today. We're gonna go eat something because we're hungry.